In this video, I will show you what you could expect from this radio transcriptor real-time text-to-speech transcriptor using AI. So I found this script on the RTL-SDR blog and I straight went to the GitHub page. So here it's pretty interesting because as you can see, it is using a few dependencies that you could install without many struggle. And if you have like CUDA available, meaning having an NVIDIA GPU, it could speed up the process. So I give a shot on my Linux box and we are going to see that right now. Let's start the script. I will spare you all the dependencies installation. And for this example, I will use websdr.org to pick up a station in North America, because here in French, maybe it's not going to be really reliable for the example. I will also pick a radio station in order to have a clear sound with low noise, so you will see the frequency here.
On Woodman,
You could see the script have noticed there is voice, so it's actually listening to what's being said on the radio.
Tour coming to Yamava Theater Friday, August 1st. Tickets on sale now at yamavatheater.com. See Tiffany Haddish live at Yamava Resort and Casino at San Manuel. August 1st. Must be 21 to enter. Please gamble responsibly. SoCal's only reliable traffic reports every 10 minutes on the 5. Cindy Simpson, Buick, GMC, Cadillac, 24-hour traffic center.
Well, we are continuing to follow this big breaking news about the Lakers going to be under new ownership. The Buss family is selling its majority.
Once there is no sound, transcribing will start, and that really makes sense when you have discussion with people on the same frequencies. It will do the transcribing work, and that will make sense to run this script on your favorite channel in order to see what you have missed during the day, or even if you want to record something. Here on the radio that might not make sense, but I like it to run it for the challenge. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for other experiments.